Okay. I get it again. Oh wow. Okay, that's interesting. We're probably going for this high. Yeah, this kind of sucks. This is kind of like, um, what's it called? Accumulation. And we got some manipulation up here. And today I'm looking for it to distribute like down here. Today and tomorrow. And there's also like a weekly profile. It opened, consolidated, it manipulated, and now I'm looking for it to distribute to the downside. God damn it, not all my boxes are yellow. So yeah, I'm gonna patiently wait. If we don't catch a setup, that's okay. Or should I say if I don't catch a setup? Alright, so if it's gonna go bearish, I don't think it should go past this point because from what I've learned, I think this is a balanced price range right here. So it shouldn't go past this point. I'm not sure if that's a balanced price range, but I still think the DXY has to take this high out. So if the DXY goes up, EU and GU goes down. So let's look at the weekly. You know, the weekly we are bouncing off of this order block. You gotta admit, we got some pretty long wicks to the downside. So, I mean, if it wanted to, it could definitely keep pushing bullish. We also just tapped into this fair value gap on the 4-hour. So, I mean, it could go bullish. You never know. But yeah, I'm just waiting. I just don't want to take buys after it took out all this liquidity and tapped into the daily fair value gap, you know? So I'm gonna wait. And if it keeps showing signs of bullishness, well, I'll hop on the wave, but for right now I'm still bearish. So we took out buy side. So now it's time to I think it's time to take out sell side. So this is, I'm gonna label this. I'm open to changing my bias if it goes bullish. So hello, conflict. Hello, it's me. I was wondering. The XY kind of looks like it's heading down here. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna lie. Yeah, it kind of looks like it's heading down. That means EU and GU is going up. So if that's the case, I'm gonna take some buys. But still have an open mind. What's NQ doing? Jesus. Okay, I have way too many fucking lines on my chart right now. Okay, it's a daily fair value gap. It's a 4 hour. I don't really need that anymore. The 1 hour. It might bounce to the downside here. Because you have this right here, and this is also a previous day high. So it can bounce. Maybe some short-term sells. Okay, what the fuck? Why the hell is this showing on the... Oh, it's a weekly. Not the minutes. Hold on, I want to see this weekly real quick. Oh. Would you look at that? This might turn into an inverted fair value gap. Or an inversion fair value gap. If it closes below, okay, so what is this line? Coordinates 430.75. Okay. So I'm gonna plot a line right here. Four three zero. Okay. Okay. So I just want to plot this here. So it's actually respecting it pretty nicely. Okay, for GU, it's kind of bouncing off of that little fair value gap we plotted. I gotta stop saying we. It's all me. Anyways. I want to see some nice beefy black candles. Pause. Some nice BBC. Some nice big black candles to the downside. Yeah, I think everything is about to go short, in my opinion. And this is also liquidity right here. But it just took out sell side in the morning. So who knows? You know? I'm at a pace, I'm trying to come. Change just be on you. We're out of time's gonna bury your soul. If it's gonna go bearish, I want it to break below this low. Oh yeah, and yesterday, like at the PM session, I set a limit order right here, and I wasn't at my computer. I was outside, and I immediately got fucked in the ass. But I mean, overall, my bias was correct. I was aiming for these relatively equal highs, and well, that's what it did. But see, this is what happens when you set limit orders and you aren't at the charts. Okay, because when I left the limit order, price was like right here, about to hit 2 p.m. So I thought price was gonna dip into here and then continue up, but man, yeah. So that was that, and then I'm waiting for some sells, honestly. We just took this high, buy side liquidity. I don't even trade ES anymore, so I don't even know why I have it on the chart. YM looks like it's going bullish, I'm not even gonna lie. YM really looks like it's coming for these highs. Kind of bullish on YM right now. Okay, I think I'm gonna take a sell on EU. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take a sell on EU. And but I want to see some nice beefy candles. Here's some pretty beefy candles. It's reacting to this right here. I guess you could say this is a market structure shift right here. And then this right here. Kinda did. Yo, this thing low-key wants to bounce. Am I right? Yeah, I mean, we bounced off of this 4 hour, so if it were to go up, then then yeah. Suspecting discount premium raise, so I mean discount raise, sorry. It's right here. Mise en son. Bro, someone said, I am the demon that took control of you. That made me lol. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take some shorts on NQ. I'm not even gonna lie. Because it looks way better anyways. But yeah, EU looks like it's respecting this premium array. So if we get some more closures below this inverted fair value gap, um, I'd be happy to take some sells. But I'm just waiting because this could go either way right now because it tapped into a 4 hour and it's respecting this right now too. So I'm not clear on what I want to trade yet. But NQ is looking okay for some shorts. Bro, some people be hating for no reason. Like, whatever do you, my G. Anyways, yeah, I just want to see what price has to offer right here. Like, this is really consolidation, but I mean, it's doing something. So I want to see it disrespect this fair value gap and then keep this gap untouched or as a breakaway gap if it's going to continue lower. Disrespect it. I'm gonna keep NQ and EU on the side to side. I just want to see what it does when it touches this this order block. Fucking hell, man. This is why I hate having, what's it called? Like, okay, what the fuck is this? Here's a daily fair value gap. Okay, then keep it on the daily, motherfucker. Jeez. Okay, so it tapped the order block. It's rejecting it. Digging a little deeper into it. What's G doing? Absolutely nothing. So this is a previous high. This line is a previous high right here. All that's liquidity, so it's bound to have a sort of reaction to the downside. I guess this would have been a breaker entry, but it didn't break enough structure for me to take that yet. I want to see EU aggressively move to the downside. Yeah, like that. And then perhaps this is a low that I'm interested in. But I don't want to see it respect this fair value gap like that, so I'm still waiting. Okay, GU might present actually a good opportunity. We can aim for Asia lows over here. If it's gonna sell off. Or I can aim for Asia lows. Okay. Like I'm still not like in the safe zone yet because this right here hasn't been cleared yet. So yeah, I'm gonna have to wait a little bit more. But it's showing signs that it wants to go down. There's a little consolidation here, respecting this fair value gap. Even EU respected it. And the DXY is climbing higher and higher. So I think GU is something I'm gonna get involved with here. Around the 7 pip stop loss. And then I'm aiming for, oh, this low is perfect. I don't even have to aim for Asia lows. So yeah. Bring. Y'all heard that? Oh yeah. So anyways, okay, well it bounced off the fair value gap. So I'm still gonna wait. I'm still gonna be patient. Okay. I'm not gonna take a sell when price is bouncing off of a 5-minute fair value gap. Why the fuck can I move it? Oh, there it is. There's a market structure shift right here. So it's kind of just tapping off this breaker. If it comes into that breaker one more time, fuck, it's probably gonna leave, but I'd be interested in, because I think this is a breaker right here. I'm not sure though. I'm not sure if that's the breaker, but okay, hold on. I want to see something real quick. I want to see if this 5 minutes is gonna hold, because this can very well bounce off of here and continue up. And this is Okay, so EU is bouncing. That's not a breaker. Oh, it's not? Okay. Well, I thought it was. Um, what would be considered oh, is this the breaker? This one right here? The 10-11 candle? I'm not familiar with breakers, but no, because the thing is, like, like, my best winning trades have been setups where there's a fair value gap and a breaker aligned, and, like, that's like a unicorn for me. So, yeah. I wanted to see if I can get it up here, but the way price is reacting off of this 5 minute fair value gap, I don't like it. Bro, I need to get a mouse, bro. My hands are getting all sweaty and shit off of this heating laptop, bro. So EU is like, I don't know if EU wants to take off or not. YM kind of, I mean, NQ kind of looks like it's taking off. I don't know what the fuck GU is doing. Breaker requires LQH. I'm not sure what that means. But yeah, the few times I have seen a breaker, they've been pretty useful. So yeah. I haven't studied breakers like I studied fair value gaps, so just not my thing. Damn, dude, price is really stuck. Price is really stuck right now. Alright, if it were to go bullish, I mean, we could target this high. But, man, I don't think it's going to go... I mean, it could take out, like, some more liquidity if it wants to and then go bearish, but, like, it just happened to a daily for value gap, took out buy side. Like, everything's telling me it wants to go bearish. But, you know... You know how it be. Oh, liquidity hunt. I didn't know that. I mean, I'll probably study it because I use it so often. No. Where would EU go? Probably up here. It didn't even tap for EU. These relatively equal highs too. Bro, it's just like doesn't want to go anywhere, bro. Today's definitely a slow day for a Thursday. What the fuck? But it doesn't look like it wants to go up. It really doesn't look like it does, because if it wanted to go up, I feel like it would have done so already. Maybe it's just waiting for a macro, like, hello? The macro's at 1050, damn it. I only trade silver bullet. That's probably something I'm gonna end up changing. Like, I might start trading the 950 silver bullet. Because I know, like, I mean, look at this, bro. This was like the macro right here. Man, the open was beautiful. The open was pretty beautiful, I'm not gonna lie. To be honest, there wasn't any entry. So, but yeah. I want to see what it does when it taps into this right here. If it disrespects this order block, I think we might be onto something here. To the upside, of course. I think the DXY is looking to bounce off of here, no? Alright, I'm gonna go in short for GU. Yeah, buddy. Jesus, look at Naz running, bro. Naz is running beautifully. I saw this short coming in, but damn, bro, Naz, bro. Look at this for value gap and look at this order block. But I did not want to take that, man. Hell no. I mean, this should just look whack. I think GU looks better. But it's not fucking dropping, so I don't like it. I don't like that it's doing that. Come on, IOFED this motherfucker. Come on, I'm claiming it. Let's go. Let's go. I'm claiming this inverted for value gap as well. Come on. Nah, bruh. What's you doing? Bro. These fucking Forex pairs, man. Like, look what NQ's doing and look at GU. They're just playing around. Anyways. Oh, would you look at that? Interesting. Yeah, I think it's gonna drop down all the way to these lows, in my opinion. So, um, if and when we reach this low, by the way, I widened my take profit a little bit, so it's like 28 points now instead of 23 or whatever. But yeah, I want to see this close below the fair value gap and then use it as resistance. But yeah, right now my stop loss is up here. Stop loss will be like right here, right above that high. God damn NQ. Shit. Oh my god. Jesus. Well, at least we got in GU and not fucking buttfuck EU. Fucking hell, man. But yeah. This is what we running at right now. Hold on. I'll move my stop real quick. And I think I'm gonna take that. It's right there, but I think I'm gonna take that. Yeah, I'll take it. Fuck it. I'm out. I'm out that bitch. Very good, very nice. Man. Listen. I think I performed pretty well today, okay? You know, like I said, I'm not looking for any motivation or any like tips on how to improve my trading. I'm just doing the shit my way, feel me? But I think I did pretty well today. Okay? So what I'm starting to realize is I do very well when I'm just patient, I have an open mind, and I'm just chilling. Like I'm not rushing to the charts or anything. I'm not rushing to take a trade. So yeah, overall this was a pretty decent trade, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, my bias today was bearish on GU. Let me go over that again. Man, Naz is fucking amazing, bro. Listen, this is like the most beautiful setup you could ever see with Naz, bro. And it gave you a 1 of 4. Shit. But anyways, yeah, look, listen. GU, this was my whole bias for today, okay? It tapped into the daily, took out all this buy side liquidity, all this you see right here. Dropped down to the 4 hour, you can see it more clearly. Liquidity. Drop down to the 1 hour. Liquidity, like so much fucking liquidity. And yeah, that was today. And then at the 8:30 open, we took out all this liquidity and we tapped into the daily fair value gap. So coming into today, or this morning, my bias was, okay, we have this fair value gap. In my opinion, if it's going to keep going lower, it's not going to disrespect this fair value gap or this high. The same thing with EU, because this is like a balanced price range right here. So it came up, came back down. There's no more liquidity left. It already took out all the liquidity it had to. So in my mind, when price went up here and it came back down, I said, okay, price is more likely to be bearish now because it broke structure as well. But I just didn't like the fact that EU is respecting this 5 minute for value gap so easily. I could have gone in right here, but I didn't like the way price is pushing, you know. But yeah, I use EU and GU as like confluences for each other. So I saw this happen, and I saw GU was respecting this for value gap. It only touched it once and left it, and then came back. Microstructure shifted, played around for a little bit, but I liked when price reached over here, and then it kind of stayed stagnant. It didn't really move or anything. So yeah, and then I literally didn't get any drawdown, which is kind of cool. But then when we broke structure like this, I was like, okay. I obviously didn't like that it respected the consequent encroachment of this 5 minute fair value gap, but the fact that we're breaking structure to the downside, I said a lot. And then, man, I literally said it before it happened. I knew this was gonna be an institutional order flow entry drill. So this is also great. I like when price does that, because that means you're literally about to be in profit. Like, this was also an institutional order flow entry drill right here. If you didn't know that, that is that right there. And then yeah, man, price moved beautifully. I'm not gonna lie. I still think it's gonna come to the Asian lows, just like right here. So yeah, I didn't take any partials. I just left it. I'm not a swing trader, so I don't hold like that. But yeah, I caught like 25, 26 pips off of that, so that was pretty neat. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of the live stream. So Conflict and Hassier, thank you for being the two people that commented on today's live stream. I appreciate you. But yeah, I'm about to make a trade recap, so that's gonna be the end of the live stream. So peace.